Shit, my hair is fucked, bro. I need a haircut hella bad. Shit, like, is that a good style? I don't even know, bro. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Devin, second back with a brand new video, and I hate that intro. I don't know why I do it so much, but I hate it. Alright, so many of you guys are probably thinking, where have you been? Like, where's Deteki been? Like, I've been here. I've been doing like myself. Like, I've been here the whole time.
Really? Yeah, I mean, that has to be a mistake because...
Hell no.
So, let me just break down where I've been and why am I making a video right now all of a sudden. So, I want to get back to YouTube because, I don't know, I think YouTube's kind of fun now. And I want to kind of go back into it again. I feel like I can change my channel and do better things, and I'm just go and progress more. So, in May, when was May? Right now, today is December 26th. Somewhere in May, May 18th, I graduated from high school. Coronavirus kind of hit like during that time, so like around May 18th, from May 18th to all the way to May 29th, our school had suggested that we leave school and we just stay at home. When that happened, I really didn't even really do any of my homework, not gonna lie. Like, I know many of you guys probably did your homework. I already have pretty much good grades. I really did not really have to really do my homework. And so from that point on, I graduated high school. I was gonna say college, but high school. I graduated high school around like after May, somewhere in June, like June 3rd maybe. I don't remember actually. I'm just guessing. I'm just putting out dates out there. I don't really remember. But around June 3rd, I graduated. I obviously did not have a ceremony. I did, but like it was kind of like a 6 feet distance thing, and that pretty much sucked. But it's alright. It's what the world is wanting us to be and stuff like that. Went into college right at like 3 weeks after I got into like. 3 weeks after I got into like when I graduated, I got into a junior high school near where I live, and I didn't like it because of the COVID reasons, because I didn't get any much experience like into like going into college. I want to go into college where like you actually get to go there, not to be like online on a computer. Like, I don't really mind being on a computer, like I'm on it every day, but like doing homework at home is kind of like you get distracted basically a lot. And I'm just trying to wait until COVID is over so I can go back to college and major into what I want to be. If you guys want to know what I was majoring in, I was doing electricity. I wanted to become an electrician, and it's only 2 years of school. And yeah, so I dropped out of it because I was only going there for 2 weeks, and when I thought of it, I'm like, I really don't like it. I really need to just stay where I'm at. Oh, basically, when I was in school during that COVID stuff, when they sent us home and they just made us do homework at home and stuff like that, I got a job at Amazon, kind of like 45 minutes where I live. And basically, when I got a job there, I was basically still in high school, but I got a job while staying at home. So I got the job, and I currently still work there right now, so that's why you barely see me posting the videos. I don't remember when the last time I posted a video. I did not upload a video for almost 6 months. That's crazy. I forget what month this was posted in. June 4th. So when was June 4th? Like right after May? Yeah, I think I posted a video right after that. So right after I graduated high school, I posted a video on me playing Valorant. But let me get back to the story. So I got a job at Amazon. I still currently work there right now, and I'm going on to be working there for 6 months. Basically, ever since I posted that video, I've been working there, and it's a pretty cool job. I like it. I work 10 hours there, and 4 days a week, and pretty good pay. I like it, and yeah. So right now, that's why I'm not posting any videos at all. This is probably the only video you guys can be seeing me from. Like, this is probably the only video your brother is gonna be like, where's this guy been? Does this guy die or something? Actually, don't die actually, because I usually regularly check my comments on my YouTube channel. I regularly check my YouTube comments every time I get comments on my YouTube channel, like my most popular gaming video, like the gaming logo tutorial, that has 800k. I can't believe I actually got 800k on that video. That video has been posted for 3 years, and that video has just been growing over the 3 years, and it's at 800k. And I did not think I was gonna get 800k. Like 50k, 10k, 20k, around there, I was gonna be like, oh, that's pretty fair. Like I wasn't even really expecting that video to blow up out of nowhere. And that video blew up out of nowhere right after the year I posted it in. I think I posted that video in 2017, and that video just kept going up, 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 up. I'm like, I did not know what made it so popular. Like it was actually just like me posting a video on how to create a graphic design logo. But yeah, I'm gonna be starting making videos just like me vlogging probably, because some of my friends vlog, and I want to get into like vlogging as well. And yeah, so that's where I've been. I know you guys miss me. I know you guys probably don't miss me, but if you guys were the real ones, please leave a like on the video. Comment down what you guys want to see on the channel, because I don't have any like, just my goal for next year, for 2021, which is in 4 days, it's just to push videos out and just make YouTube videos. I don't really care what my channel is gonna become or will not become. I just want to put videos just because I think it's kind of fun to just do it, you know. And yeah, so if you guys want to see videos on this channel, or you guys want to see me do a series or anything like that, just leave a comment down below. If you guys just want to talk, just leave a comment down below. That'd be fine. If you guys are new to my channel, or just barely subscribe to my channel and don't know where I've been, this is a video kind of clearing everything up. So if you guys are new to my channel, please stick around and subscribe, because I'll be pushing videos out later on throughout these weeks. I kind of want to go for like making a video every week, kind of a vibe, because like I think putting out a video every week will kind of get me pushing into the grind, into like making YouTube videos again. And yeah, so that's been it. It's been your boy Devin, or Deteki, and I'm not out yet, but I'm coming back. Alright, peace out, guys.